When setting off fireworks, I've always wondered how they make different patterns and different colors. Hey Sesame, what are you doing?
I'm trying to cut this shell, see how many powder in there, see what's they look like.
Wait, who is Sesame? Can she answer our question? Sesame Chen, proud owner of 3 businesses. Twin Fireworks, based in Frankfort, Indiana. A fireworks manufacturer in Jiangxi, China. As well as a fireworks exporting company in China, Golden Peak. She has been in business for 26 years. With her help, let's start with the part 1, the tube. This is the launch tube, usually made out of cardboard, to keep the trajectory of the shell straight. Now at the bottom of the tube, there's a base. This is to stabilize the tube when the shell is lit. Sometimes they have a thick layer of clay at the bottom of the tube to serve the same purpose. Fiberglass tubes are often used as well. You must use the correct size of tube for your shells. You must stabilize your tube. We recommend nailing it on a piece of board. When many shells are used in a show, professionals often use these racks to hold the tubes. Now let's take a look at part 2, the shell.
Okay, this is lunch powder. Actually, a lot of people call it gunpowder.
Lunch powder, aka gunpowder, a mixture of sulfur, carbon, and potassium nitrate, designed to provide enough power to launch the shell.
So, you see those stars? This is the color.
These are the stars?
Yeah, this is the stars. And those small things, it's the break charge.
Stars and break charge, aka burst charge. Please remember them because we will mention them again. Part 3, the full display. Now let's take a look at a complete process of a shell display and then see what's going on in that tube there. So when you light the fuse on top of the shell, the fuse will burn down at a speed, and a few seconds later, the fuse lights the gunpowder inside of this compartment, and the powerful explosion propels the shell into the air. At the same time, the delaying fuse at the bottom of the shell is ignited. After flying up a few seconds, the delaying fuse will ignite the burst charge in here, and the massive energy from that not only ignites the stars in here and also push them outward, creating beautiful effects in the sky. Now, how about different patterns like a smiley face and circles and stars? The composition will be the same. The only difference is you will want to arrange the stars in the shape you would want to explode in the sky. How about colors? Now, how do they make different colors? You just need to add different chemicals. Barium salts produce green. Strontium salts produce red. Copper salts produce blue. Aluminum or magnesium powders create sparkling effects. Fireworks have become an important part of holiday celebrations. As beautiful as they are, safety is always first. Be sure to follow regulations and instructions, and make sure you have an adult present when children are handling fireworks or firecrackers. Now, please check out more of our videos. Smash that like button, share, and subscribe to help us create more content.